So what are we doing today then?
We're going to make a Derbyshire Wrap.
Derbyshire Wrap.
Yeah, for that fella.
Yeah,
what's it called?
we've seen it on another YouTube
video. That one man and his corgi. No, one man and his collie. No, one man and his whippet. Dave Bertolini.
So
we're making this for you, Dave.
A recommended recipe. Very nice, apparently. So we'll give it a whirl.
We need some wraps, or a wrap.
Some cheese, primula.
What? Sorry?
Somewhere we got a lettuce. Where's the lettuce gone?
Where's the lettuce gone? It's in there somewhere. There it is.
There's the lettuce. We're organised as usual.
So let's just go back. Wraps, a lettuce, some cheese, and
some coleslaw.
Some coleslaw. Come with us.
So, very simple recipe today.
You take a wrap. We're posh. We don't have any old wrap. We have sweet chili wraps. You place a wrap on the plate like so. And then you take the lettuce. Now we don't do any of this namby-pamby washing because in Derbyshire they like the slugs raw. Place a couple of leaves, some nice juicy leaves, like so. Cheese.
I bet you've got to open that.
Posh cheese. We haven't got cheese and chives, which the proper Derbyshire recipe does recommend. Oh god, here we go. This is where fingernails come in. Not too bad. Now, I'm going to hand over to my learned assistant here because he knows how much cheese to use.
Well, the recipe, we were told it was just a squirt, so there we go.
Seems a bit generous to me for a Derbyshire wrap.
And then, what else? Oh, coleslaw. I'm not sure how much coleslaw, so it's to taste. I think that's plenty.
I think that's more than plenty. I'm certainly getting the money's worth there.
Yeah. And then just I've never know how to fold a wrap, but something like that. And although the recipe we were told had Piper's crisps, I'm afraid we've only got Pringles, so there you go.
That's a Derbyshire wrap with crisps.
Well worth £8, eh, Dave?
£8? I'd pay a tenner for that.
How's that?
That looks gorgeous. Are you going to have a taste? £8. Sold to Keith.
Pringles, very nice.
See you soon.
Bye.
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin, and I know it's never gonna end.